Okay guys, spring is here and that means Easter. I am so excited to show you a quick little hack on how to take your napkin game up to the next level by making bunny napkins. All right, so here's what you're gonna need. So all you need to do is take your napkin and we're gonna fold it corner to corner to create a triangle. And then, starting at the corner, we are going to roll it tightly all the way up. This is so easy. All right, now all you need to do is fold it, bunny ears, and we're gonna take some twine, tie it right like this. You'll see there's a little hole there. I'm gonna show you what we can do in that little section. The kids would love this. Okay, so I'm gonna cut those ends off actually, just like that. All right, so perfect. Kind of like that side better. Now, we could use it just like this, or we can put a little plastic egg in there. How cute is that? Thank you so much for watching. For more entertaining tips and meal ideas, head over to freshnutrition.com. If you like this content, please go below and subscribe, like, and share. Thanks so much.